Who would say there's a hurricane coming? There's a hurricane coming? Oh man.
You should have seen my truck. There's this really expensive bottled water, whatever, and it's like $30 for like 12 water bottles with 1 meter.
That shit better cure cancer.
And they took it. And they're like, I don't need water and all this shit.
Why is this guy outside of his car just walking with a car literally? He's like, alright mate. Meanwhile, we're still on this line. Why are you talking to a freaking video? Look at this, like, I'm off-roading in my car. Oh my god. Oh, this guy's trying to cut him off. This guy cut him off. What a savage. What a savage. And I'm still playing my fidget gadget. Yeah, woo. It's so addicting.
Like, this is not no normal day.
Dude, there's people like literally leaving like. Dude.
Let me see your ID. Wow. Gorgeous. It wasn't that bad of a line. We just made it like a good 20 minutes, if anything, to put in gas. Like they zip tied it down for Hurricane Irma because, you know, this is gonna make such a difference. Shit's just gonna go flying.
We're gonna die. What? I'll find something cool. There's umbrellas. Bro, there's freaking straps here. My mom was looking for straps. They're right here. Yeah, that's what.
Such Floridians taking more than we need.
It's a huge boat. What are you talking about?
Oh, for the boat?
Yes. Well, you're back to it.
Jonathan, you're literally
Do not get no ratchet ass. You're gonna get hot Cheetos in the middle of like a storm where we need water. Think about this. Like, let's go.
¿Cómo yo puedo partirse si él está metido en el medio? Necesito echar gasolina, señor. Usted está mal parqueado. ¿Eh? Aquí debería haber policía, ¿ven?
¿Tú piensas que los policías van a estar en la gasolinera?
Claro que tienen que estar en la gasolinera si salen anormales como este. Dice que él no estaba más parqueado. En el medio de la calle. Dios mío. Están anormales en la calle.
No me dejas así como te estoy hablando, mira.
Pero de aquí, de aquí.
Como sea. Después la amarras acá atrás ya.
Tienes que meterla aquí.
Baby, your food's ready.
Alright, I'm doing something.
Stop screaming.
Ahí. Dale para atrás.
Look at Nyla, she's so chill.
Literally in the middle of her hair.
Hi. There's just this one plant in the middle of nowhere. Wow. It's really sunny outside. It doesn't look like there's a hurricane coming though.
Boring.
So apparently the hurricane's coming from this side, from left to right. But apparently it's coming from left to right, so they put the boat here so that way it like the wind doesn't hit. actually. Hello. ¿Y el techo no lo van a quitar?
Mosquito bit my toe already.
Oh, it smells horrific. I can't smell this.
I don't. Do a show for me. You're gonna hit me.
Myself. To be like my own hurricane.
Jonathan, deja la normalidad, por favor.
Just hold it. I think I can find it.
Alright, go for it. But there's a lizard. What? Nigga, like there's a lizard.
No, I'm not gonna go in there. There's a lizard. We gonna die today.
This is
with
it?
App. This is the best game in the world.
What is it called?
2 for 2.
She's plugging hard.
My high score is 1,018 million. I don't know how to say that number.
Where?
1,000. No.
It's 118,000.
108,000.
This is probably the last video you guys are gonna see till after the hurricane, because I'm pretty sure tomorrow the hurricane comes at night. Yeah, but then there's no internet, so I can't upload this Friday night.
You don't know how bad it will be.
It's gonna be horrible. What are you talking about? Guys, if you haven't seen it, look at the news.
All those videos that you see of Puerto Rico and St. Thomas and all that, that's us.
St. Thomas, that's my place. If you know me, John and Sam, no, more Sam because John hasn't gone with us, but me and Sam, we went on a cruise. St. Thomas is like our spot. That's our place. Like, that's beautiful. I actually really want to go now. Like, I want to go and see like the difference, because they got it really bad. They got it bad. St. Martin, Puerto Rico,
Barbuda.
yeah, but also like the first one. Dominican Republic, Punta Cana. I heard some people in Punta Cana, they were like in their hotels and stuff like that, and they had to like stay there, and they had their lobbies like filled with like little beds, and like they had to move the beds from the rooms like outside, because you know how like every room has like a window or whatever, like they had to move it away and put it in the bathroom and stuff like that. Pretty crazy. This hurricane ain't no joke. Category 5, winds up to.
Now, but it's serious.
Yeah, we're laughing because, I mean, I'm laughing because I always keep it like hysterical. Like, I don't want to be thinking negative.
Shitty bricks.
Yeah, I'm pretty scared, not gonna lie. But I'm never the type of person to like show my fear. Like, if it happens, it happens. If we die, we're gonna die. But I'm not dying sad. I'm not gonna be sad till my death. Like, I'm gonna die happy.
We're gonna die.
We're not gonna die. There's like, the death toll is like 10. And it passed through like the whole Caribbean. The whole Caribbean's like, this house is built in Florida. Florida had to like, since 1992, the houses had to be made differently, like foundation, everything.
The roof is gonna like go flying.
Oh my God. Okay, see what I mean? I'm positive. She's like negative.
The roof is gonna go flying. We're gonna be in a corner.
Well, you know what? If it goes flying, you're gonna hold the house together.
Okay, that's my job.
Yeah, they had to change the foundation and like keep all of that together. So like, we're pretty good like house-wise, like compared to like people in the Caribbean, like that they have like freaking tiki huts and stuff like that. Like, I can hear your stomach growling. We're not getting cupcakes, Emily. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning.
We should drive somewhere.
Huh?
We should go get cupcakes.
I'm terrified to even walk outside my house. She wants to get cupcakes when the hurricane's coming in.
I like donuts.
It's 1 in the morning. You want to get donuts?
We should go to 7-Eleven.
No, we're not going to 7.
Yes.
All right. Well, after this, I'm gonna make.
We can go to, if we go to 7-Eleven, we can get like snacks.
I mean, we're not getting fucking snacks. We're getting like sandwiches that I'm gonna make for you, and be happy. I literally showed her this game, and she's like obsessed with it.
I live to beat my high score.
Well, yeah, guys, this is gonna be the last video.
Before we die.
It's gonna be the last video before I post the last one. Make sure to see the next one, because that's really gonna be crazy. I'm gonna videotape like during the hurricane and the aftermath. But yeah, follow me to keep you updated, so you can see what we're doing, because normally like I don't have like, this is, you have to edit this. It takes time. It takes like about like,
I don't even learn how to say the word edit.
she used to say edit. I don't know why. Don't ask me why.
Edit it.
Are you gonna edit it?
Edit.
Yeah. I had to show her like Ed and then it. Ed.
I've
it.
been in America for like, I'm 18 minus 4, so like 16 years.
She's also bad at math. Oh my god, you saw the Twitter of Zach and Cody, like with the Irma?
Irma.
I'll play it right now.
Don't worry, I'm upbeat. I'm borderline perky. I'm not even thinking of Irma.
Make sure to subscribe. But yeah guys, this is gonna be the end. See you guys on the next vlog. Till then.